So here's how to properly anchor the NT loop, use the anchor strap to properly anchor it inside a door. First thing, you want to anchor it on the hinge side of the door, and you want to be pulling the door closed towards you. So that means the NT loop would be going out this way towards the way the door is shutting if you're going to exercise. Now you have 3 different hinges, and if you want to prevent the NT loop from sliding, you want to put it just above the hinges. Obviously, if I want it high, I would put it above the high hinge. If I want it somewhere in the middle, it won't really slide. I'll put it above the middle hinge. And if I want it somewhere low, I would put it somewhere between these 2 hinges there. Normally it'll slide and it'll adjust in place. Now, here's what we do. See these flaps right here? And this is a heavily reinforced part of the anchor strap. That's what you want on the other side of the door. So you don't want to close the door there. You want to close the door there. So you pinch as low as you can on the anchor strap. You put it on the hinge side of the door so those flaps go past the door. Just allow the door to shut. Make sure it's all the way shut. Give it a little pull, make sure it's secure, and then you're ready to start exercising. Now, when you want to take the NT loop out of the door, same deal. Just grab the strap. There's plenty of room, so you're not going to pinch your fingers. Just open the door. You need to open the door wide enough. See, I don't have the door open right now. It's not coming out. You need to open the door wide enough to where you can slide that right through. And that's how you safely and properly anchor the NT loop in your door. So remember, pull the door shut, always anchor it on the hinge side of the door, and make sure that those 2 security straps there are all the way on the other side of the door.